Right now, time for weather, and today started with thunderstorms. Let's find out from Craig Setzer if it'll end that way. Craig?
No, looking pretty good tonight. Pretty confident about that, but we did see thunderstorms this morning, and yes, I woke up thinking, uh-oh, that's not good. When you hear thunder really early and your forecast didn't say thunder early, never a good thing. Here's our Keys camera this evening, looking pretty good out there. Of course, not a lot of folks yet in Mallory Square, but as the days go forward, we should start to see that populate back up. Temperatures right now are warm, 86 in Miami, 86 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 84 in Key West, 8 on the stickiness scale. It's very humid out there, and all that moisture in the atmosphere supporting more thunderstorms as we go through the night. Today's rainfall amount since midnight, Opelika, the winner, over 2 inches, or nearly 2 inches, 1.75 inches at the Frost Museum of Science. Miami Shores about 1.5 inches, 1.3 inches coming in from Lauderdale Lakes. Here's the radar now. Except for some spotty thunderstorms over the mainland right now, it should be quiet for the next several hours, but a few of those storms will march on in, and then all this activity down to the south is headed north once again. So later tonight and tomorrow could be pretty stormy at times to start our day tomorrow. So give yourself a little extra time if you have a long commute. There's the deepest moisture, and it's quite high. These moisture values just to our south, and computer models show that it is gradually coming our way. Still on the edge Wednesday, and then Thursday, here comes the moisture. It sticks around Friday, Saturday, even Sunday. Very high moisture values. So unfortunately, it looks like rain chances as we go through the weekend are going to be quite high. Here's our satellite loop this afternoon of Maria, and you can see Maria not looking like once its former just a horrifically impressive looking strong hurricane. It's looking much more sheared tonight. Thunderstorms only on one side of it, the wind field around it there, and just off the coast of the Carolinas. The other storm out there, it's a little tiny one. It is Lee, a little hurricane that is moving to the west and not going to bother anybody. Latest advisory on Maria, now a tropical storm with winds at 70 miles an hour, and forecast to after tomorrow start to zip off to the east. The jet stream is coming along and it's going to carry Maria very quickly out to sea, and then after that looking pretty good, except for the next 24 hours kind of lashing the coast there. So Maria, Hurricane Lee, and then this area of disorganized thunderstorms, but we'll keep our eyes on that in the Western Caribbean. For us tonight, it is going to be warm and humid, and storms develop, a low near 79 degrees, but I think the evening we're looking good. Tomorrow, sun at times and storms around, a high temperature right around 90 degrees. For boaters, winds out of the south to southwest averaging about 10 knots, a 5-foot swell coming to the south from Maria. Taking us through the weekend. Keep the umbrellas handy, maybe even hip waders by the weekend, Elliot, because it's looking very, very wet.